little artists. Are you ready for another fun drawing? Today, we are going to draw a playground swing cradle. Grab your black marker and let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's draw 2 pillars on both sides. These will hold the swing. Now, connect them with a top bar. That's where the swing will hang from. Time to add the chain ropes. Let's draw 4 ropes hanging down.
La da 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 dee.
Great! Now, let's draw a round-shaped cradle for sitting. Make sure to add a railing for safety. Finally, let's draw the ground with some grasses to make it look like a real playground.
La da 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 dee.
Nice job, everyone! Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Wow, it's looking awesome! Coloring time! Now, it's time to add some beautiful colors. Let's pick our color pens. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Wow! Our playground swing cradle looks so colorful and fun! Great job, everyone! Keep practicing and have fun drawing! See you next time! Bye-bye!
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe! See you in the next video!